Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Tecno Pova Neo 2. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and here click on Hey Google and voice match. Now click here on Hey Google and then click on Next, scroll down and click I agree. Then click continue and click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click finish. And now you can go back, click back again, and click on lock screen. Then make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.